Welcome to another video from Don't Be Lazy DIY. In this video, we are going to unbox an airbed or air mattress from the brand Intex called DuraBeam Deluxe Ultra-Plush Headboard Airbed, which falls under their deluxe category of products. Here I have a queen-sized version of the airbed, and it has a headboard as well as a built-in internal pump to inflate or deflate the bed. Let us open the box and proceed to setting it up. Now, I have opened the box earlier to check how it works before making this video. The bed actually comes packed inside a plastic wrap, and they also have provided a small bag to store the bed when not in use or for the purpose of travel. Initially, the bed arrives folded something like this. Of course, previously I did not completely deflate the bed to fold it back as it was. The packaging was really neat and I really liked their compact folding method. This is the headboard portion of the bed. Try to avoid any contact with the walls or any obstacles around in the room because anything that may or may not be sharp can possibly damage or create tiny holes on the surface, and you do not want that to happen. As I mentioned earlier, the bed comes with a built-in pump that runs on a 110 volt supply. There is a pocket right next to the pump to store the cable when not in use. This is something really thoughtful of them when they designed the product, as nobody would like a dangling cable lying around causing disturbance. Now let us go ahead and connect the pump to a power outlet, and if you feel the cable is too short, you can always use an extension cord. The plug can only be inserted in a single direction. The switch is currently in the off state. Pushing it down is the deflation and pushing it up is the inflation. So, I will start the pump to inflate the bed and let us see how long it takes. It is surely going to take a while, so I will be fast forwarding the video. It is better to guide the mattress while the air is being inflated because it takes extra efforts for the stitches to pull the headboard to a standing position, and it is always a good idea to avoid any kind of stress to the material. I believe we are almost there. You can check for the firmness, but do not overinflate the mattress. I think this looks about right. Finally, this is how it looks after fully inflating it. The mattress may stretch for a couple of days due to the kind of material, so do not assume that there is something wrong with the product. You can always reinflate for a couple of seconds and then you will be fine. Although it does stretch over time, now I have used it for about a year and a half, and this is how it looks. The advantage of this particular mattress is that there is a small gap to tuck in your bedsheet, and I really like it. Let us now take a look at how long it takes to completely deflate the mattress. Up is the inflate, so we push the switch down. Well, that's about as long it took to inflate it. Close to 4 minutes and 30 seconds there. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.